Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are here with this amazing book that we have been reading since so many days, The Courage to be Disliked. It is a truly transformative book. And today we are getting into the difference between trust and confidence. In the last session, we read about not self affirmation but self acceptance. And now we are into the understanding the difference between trust and confidence. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen with you so that we can read it together. The difference between trust and confidence. Hello, Pranavi, how are you?
Hi Karishma, good evening. I'm fine, dear. How about you?
Wonderful, wonderful. All right, we are just starting with this chapter, the difference between trust and confidence.
Okay.
So the youth says there is a difference. There is something about this affirmative resignation that sounds pessimistic. It's just too bleak if the upshot of all this lengthy discussion is resignation, sorry. Philosopher, is that so? Resignation has the connotation of seeing clearly with fortitude and acceptance. Having a firm grasp on the truth of things, that is resignation. There is nothing pessimistic about it. Youth, a firm grasp on the truth. Philosopher, of course. Just because one has arrived at affirmative resignation of one's self acceptance, it does not automatically follow that one finds community feeling. This is the reality. When one is switching from attachment to self to concern for others, the second key concept, confidence in others, becomes absolute essential. Youth, confidence in others. In other words, believing in others. Philosopher, here I will consider the words believing in others in the context of distinguishing trust from confidence. First, when we speak of trust, we are referring to something that comes with set conditions. In English, it is referred to as credit. For example, when one wants to borrow money from a bank, one has to have some kind of security. The bank calculates the amount of the loan based on the value of the security and says, we will lend you this much. The attitude of we will lend it to you on the condition that you will pay it back, or we will lend you as much as you are able to pay back, is not one of having confidence in someone, it is trust. Wow, this is beautiful, isn't it? Youth. Well, that's how bank financing works, I guess. Philosopher. By contrast, from the standpoint of Adlerian psychology, the basis of interpersonal relations is not found on trust, but on confidence. Youth. And confidence in this case is philosopher. It is doing without any set conditions whatsoever when believing in others, even if one does not have sufficient objective grounds for trusting someone, one believes. One believes unconditionally without concerning oneself with such things as security. That is confidence. Ooh. So, do we have confidence in people around us? Is something that we can think about. Youth, believing unconditionally. So, it's back to your pet notion of neighborly love. Philosopher, of course, if one believes in others without setting any conditions whatsoever, there will be times when one gets taken advantage of, just like the guarantor of the debt. There are times when one may suffer damages. The attitude of continuing to believe in someone, even if such instances, is what we call confidence. बहुत मुश्किल है. It's very difficult to have that kind of a
Yeah, practically it is not that easy.
Yeah, मतलब a pinch in a pocket is something big, right? I would like to understand what is it that he wants to convey. Youth. Only a knave, dimwit would do such a thing. I guess you hold with the doctrine of innate human goodness, while I hold with the doctrine of innate human evilness. Believe unconditionally in complete strangers, and you will get used and abused. Philosopher. And there is also times when someone deceives you and you get used that way. But look at it from the standpoint of someone who has been taken advantage of. There are people who will continue to believe in you unconditionally, even if you are the one who has taken advantage of them. People who will have confidence in you no matter how they are treated. Would you be able to betray such person again and again? Youth. No. Well, it would be philosopher. I'm sure it would be quite difficult for
Can you please share the screen? I mean,
अभी ठीक है ना? Okay. Here
yeah.
we after all that. No, रुको वापस ऊपर चलते हैं थोड़ा सा. Hello Madhulika, thank you for joining in. So nice to see you.
Hi, Karishma.
Right.
Thanks for having me here.
So the philosopher says, I'm sure it would be quite difficult for you to do such a thing. Youth. After all that, are you saying one has to appeal to the emotions? To keep on holding the faith like a saint and act on the conscience of other person? You're telling me that morals don't matter to Adler, but isn't that exactly what we are talking about here? Philosopher. No, it is not. What would you say is the opposite of confidence? Youth. An antonym of confidence. Philosopher. It is doubt. Suppose you have placed doubt at the foundation of your interpersonal relations. That you live your life doubting other people, doubting your friends, and even your family and those you love. What sort of relationship could possibly arise from that? The other person will detect the doubt in your eyes in an instant. He or she will have an instinctive understanding that this person does not have confidence in me. Do you think one would be able to build some kind of positive relation from that point? It is precisely because we lay a foundation of unconditional confidence that it is possible for us to build a deep relationship. That's true, but कोई धोखा दे दे उसके बाद confidence रखना is difficult, I would say. Youth. Okay, I guess. Philosopher. The way to understand Adlerian psychology is simple. Right now, you are thinking, if I were to have confidence in someone unconditionally, I would just get taken advantage of. However, you are not the one who decides whether or not to take the advantage. That is the other person's task. All you need to do is think, what should I do? If you're telling yourself, I'll give it to him if he isn't going to take advantage of me, it is just a relationship of trust that is based on security or conditions. Youth. So one separates task there too. Philosopher. Yes. As I have stated repeatedly, carrying out the separation of tasks returns life to an astonishingly simple form. But while the principle of the separation of tasks is easy to grasp, putting it into practice is difficult. I recognize that. Youth. Then you are telling me to keep on having confidence in everyone To keep on believing in all other people, even when they deceive me and just go on being a knave fool. That's not philosophy or psychology or anything of the sort. It's just preaching of a zealot. Philosopher. I reject that definitely. Adlerian psychology is not saying have confidence in others unconditionally on the basis of moralistic system of values. Unconditional confidence is a means for making your interpersonal relationships with a person better and for building a horizontal relationship. If you do not have the desire to make your relationship with the person better, then go ahead and sever it, because carrying out is severing in your task. You. Then, what if I have placed unconditional confidence in a friend in order to make our friendship better? I have jumped through all sort of hoops for this friend, gladly satisfied any requests for money, and been in unstintingly with my time and efforts in his regard. But even in such cases, there are times when one is taken advantage of. For example, if one were horribly taken advantage of by a person one has believed in completely, wouldn't that experience lead one to a lifestyle with an other person are my enemy's outlook? Philosopher. It seems you have not yet gained an understanding of the goal of confidence. Suppose, for example, that you are in a love relationship, but you are having doubts about your partner and you think of yourself, I will bet she is cheating on me. And you start making desperate efforts in search of evidence to prove that. What do you think would happen as a result? Youth. Well, I guess that would depend on the situation. Philosopher. No. In every instance, you would find an abundance of evidence that she has been cheating on you. Youth. Wait, why is that? Philosopher. Your partner's casual remarks, her tone when talking to someone on the phone, the time when you can't reach her, as long as you are looking with doubt in your eyes, everything around you will appear to be evidence that she is cheating on you, even if she is not. ये बात तो ठीक है. If you have a doubt on someone, even if that person is talking to anybody, you will have that doubt. She or he might be cheating on me. He or she might be talking to somebody that she is attached to, or anything of that sort. Youth. Philosopher. Right now, you're only concerned about the times you were taken advantage of and nothing else. You focus only on the pain from the wound you sustained on such occasions. But if you are afraid to have confidence in others, in the long run, you will not be able to build a deep relationships with anyone. Youth. Well, I see what you are getting at. The main objective, which is to build deep relationships. But still, being taken advantage of is scary, and that's the reality, isn't it? Philosopher. If it is a shallow relationship, when it falls apart, the pain will be slight. And the joy that relationship brings each day will also be slight. It is precisely because one can gain the courage to enter into deeper relationships by having confidence in others that the joy of one's interpersonal relations can grow and one's joy in life can grow too. Youth. No, that's not what I was talking about. You're changing the subject again. The courage to overcome the fear of being taken advantage of, where does it come from? Philosopher. It comes from self-acceptance. Where is it on this page? Okay, थोड़ा सा कट गया होगा. Philosopher says it comes from self-acceptance. If one can simply accept oneself as one is and ascertain what can one do and what one cannot, one becomes able to understand that taking advantage is the other person's task and getting to the core of confidence is others becomes less difficult. You're saying that taking advantage of someone is the other person's task and one can't do anything about it. That I should be resigned in an affirmative way. Your arguments always ignore our emotions. What does one do about all the anger and sadness one feels when one is taken advantage of? Philosopher. When one is sad, one should be sad to one's heart's content. It is precisely when one tries to escape the pain and sadness that one gets stuck and ceases to be able to build deep relationships with anyone. Think about it this way: we can believe and we can doubt, but we are aspiring to see others as our comrades. To believe or to doubt, the choice should be clear. Oh my God. All right. Pranavi, would you like to share something on this? What is your thought? What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, it all depends upon the relationships you are valuing all about. Uh, Few relationships like who are very near to you, like your life partner or children. For such kind of relationships, unconditionally, you need to believe them. If you go in the opposite direction, if you don't believe them, again the question of doubt comes, and it's not the question of doubt as such, but then that relationship will not be that fruitful. So few things need to be accepted in an unconditional way. So few relationships needs a strong believement. I mean, you need to believe it, otherwise it may go the other way. That's the only thing. So that's the only
You're
takeaway.
saying that you need to have confidence. Did you understand the difference between the confidence and trust?
Yeah, it is what he's trying to tell is, though that particular person is in his lows also, he says that you need to believe in few circumstances, and that's called as confidence. Am I right or wrong? I don't know, but that's what I understood.
Yes,
And yeah,
that's
trusting is also the same, right? I
no, no,
mean,
no. Trusting is when you are expecting something reverse as well. So bank trusts on us when they give us the loan. They trust that we will be able to return it back.
okay, okay, got it. Yeah.
All right, let's hear it from you, Madhulika.
Yeah, hi Karishma. I'm so sorry. I have not read it and I joined in between, so I don't have much to share.
फिर भी थोड़ा सा तो कुछ बता दो. Whatever few lines, even if you could, you know, be with us on.
I don't know if it will be linked to this or not. I think I have to not even got the context of it seriously. The difference between trust and confidence. This is what we are reading, right?
Yes.
Uh, I have to read it from the very beginning and then I'll be able to.
All right. Never mind. For me, it felt as if, yeah, it is easy when we are getting into some kind of a new relationship because when we have full confidence in the person in front of us, then only we can actually, be the true self and accept them as fuller beings. Um, Having said that, if we are not looking out for a very long-term relationship, and I don't know, I think whatever relationship we ever get into, we start with that confidence only. I think so. Because but then there comes a time when that confidence is broken. And then you start, seeing at that person कि वो कितना भरोसे के लायक है. Then only it turns from confidence to trust factor. And from that trust, it goes down to not trustworthy. So when I Pranavi was saying that, बच्चों के लिए भी हो जाता है. But I don't see that. I think we trust our kids rather than we have confidence in them. Or maybe initially confidence होता होगा, but when we see something, some छोटी सी mistake happening somewhere, then that confidence is not there. You have an eye on them. You keep an eye on them. What are they doing and why are they doing what they're doing?
Yeah,
That is how I see this.
I think I have crossed that, or I don't know. But then there will be a certain stage where, if the kids are in the growing stage, as you said, their mind is not totally programmed. So once it's like strongly, concreted, and I mean, the layers are formed correctly, the parenting or whatever. I mean, if the child reaches above his 20s or 22s,
उसके
it's
बाद
like,
तो you don't need.
yeah. So I mean, maybe I'm in that stage. So I think I feel that I'm confident about my children, but never know. As you said, you need to put an eye.
Because yeah, teenage is something I believe that you have to, keep an eye. Like you cannot be just हाँ बढ़िया है सब. On the other hand, while I was reading this also came to my, in my thoughts that maybe when we have unconditional confidence, the person in front of you also does not do anything to prove that confidence wrong. Like self-fulfilling prophecy, right? You are, so if I'm telling my husband off and on that I trust you, yeah, I thought I would say trust only, but I have confidence in you, तो कभी नहीं बोला ऐसे. But anyhow, in my heart, I know I'm confident about him that no matter what, he's not going anywhere out. But if I, start emitting that energy that I'm doubting him, I will find all the reasons why I should be doubting him. Wherever your energy goes, everything flows, something like that. Your, subconscious starts giving you all the evidences. फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं देखो, तुम्हारे सामने खड़े होके बात नहीं कर रहा, सड़क पे जाके बात कर रहे हैं देख लो, क्यों भाई मेरे सामने बैठ के क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो. You will have all those kind of thoughts. और बेशक every day he is talking on the road only while walking. But when you start doubting, then you start doubting at everything that he does. And that ruins the relationships. That's what I understood from this part of the book. I don't know how right I am, how wrong I am. I don't know, but this is my understanding. Anybody wants to share anything on this?
Karishma, if may I, what I understood a little bit is that trust, it fosters true relationship. On the other hand, confidence limits them. Like trust empowers a relationship. You give the freedom, because you trust the relationship. You give the freedom to grow, to move around and to do whatever they feel like. Oh, on the other hand, confidence controls. Confidence is based on your past experiences, and it is based on past proof. That is what I could understand from the chapter. To build meaningful relationship, and like we need to build trust. See, in a company also. See, if for example,
I will,
let's leave. Yeah.
Madhulika, I will read the context to you for once.
Hmm.
Philosopher says, I will consider the word believing in others in the context of distinguishing trust from confidence. First, when we speak of trust, we are
Hmm.
referring to something that comes with set conditions. In English, it is referred to as credit. For example, when one wants to borrow money from a bank, one has to have some kind of security. The bank calculates the amount of loan based on the value of that security and says, we will lend you this much. The attitude of we will lend it to you on the condition that you will pay it back, or we will lend you as much as you are able to pay back, is not one of having confidence in someone, it is trust. Do you get that?
Okay, so one must develop the courage to trust. No,
No,
that is what the author is trying to say, that one must have the courage to trust without guarantees.
that is confidence.
Yes.
So the youth says, and confidence in this case is, the philosopher says, it is doing without any set conditions whatsoever when believing in others. Even
Yes.
if one does not have sufficient objective grounds for trusting someone, one believes. One believes unconditionally without concerning oneself with such thing as security. That is confidence. This is very deep, I think.
हाँ, मेरे को लगता है इसको दोबारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
Hello, Archana. Thank you for joining in. We have
Hi,
completed the
Karishma.
chapter. We have completed the chapter, but the
Good.
trust, पूरा जो चैप्टर में जो मेन पार्ट था वो आपने भी सुना है. What is trust and what is confidence? Now, what would you say on this?
ये मैंने वो नहीं इतना पूरा सुना. मेरा वो कुछ आप डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो उसी पे मेरा थोड़ा सा ध्यान था. तो बाकी यस, ट्रस्ट एंड कॉन्फिडेंस हम वैसे कोशिश कर सकते हैं समझने की कि व्हाट इज ट्रस्ट एंड व्हाट इज कॉन्फिडेंस. सो आई बिलीव दैट ट्रस्ट इज लाइक, क्या होगा ट्रस्ट?
So the book, the psychologist, the philosopher has shared the example कि जब हमको बैंक कोई लोन देता है तो हमारे को इस कंडीशन पे देता है that we will be able to pay it back, right?
That is trust.
That is trust. And confidence is andha trust. No matter what. So it says that confidence is something that builds the interpersonal relationships deeper. जब तक आप कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं लाते किसी भी रिलेशनशिप. सो व्हेन वी मेट आवर हस्बैंड्स फॉर एग्जांपल, वी नेवर डाउटेड देम, डिड वी? हम शक्ल देख के हम ये तो नहीं सोच रहे थे. वी एक्चुअली 100% had confidence in them. That is why we got married to them. जबरदस्ती
Like
किसी ने
we trusted
धक्का मार
them
के नहीं दिया था.
मतलब initially is the trust. We built, we trusted them also. Confidence हमें अपने ऊपर था और उस पर भी था कि सब ठीक ही रहेगा. And then actually ये भी समझना जरूरी कि ट्रस्ट पहले है कि कॉन्फिडेंस पहले है.
I think confidence. So that's what I was sharing with
वो
Pranavi.
अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस पहले होता है कि हाँ, लाइक आई एम रेडी टू गेट मैरिड. दैट इज द कॉन्फिडेंस कि now I can have someone in my life, and then you trust the person. I'm not debating about कि बाद में क्या है क्या नहीं है, but yes, initially you trust the person कि that everything is going to be nice in our life, yeah, beautiful in our life, or whatever it is. तो वो ट्रस्ट से ही तो हम जाते हैं ना. लाइक जब भी हम दूसरे घर जा रहे हैं शादी करके, That was the trust only.
Sounding once
Whom you will trust?
things as secure.
Your partner only.
तो but is that unconditional or it is conditional is the question.
So that time it is conditional, what I feel.
Believes in others without certain condition.
Because that time you don't know the person much.
It's taken advantage of. It's like
पता नहीं, मेरी तो लव मैरिज थी तो आई हैड द कॉन्फिडेंस, आई नो दैट. मैं तो छलांग मार दी थी. आई टोल्ड माय फादर एंड माय डैड सेड ओके चलो शादी करो. आई वेंट विद द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड अगर कहीं पे
एक अलग बात है ना करिश्मा. हाँ,
नहीं,
See,
एक बात
वहां
बताओ
पर भी तो
अर्चना,
matter
जब
of-
आपका बच्चा छोटा था यू ऑलवेज हैड योर
हम्म,
कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर चाइल्ड कि ये कुछ गलत नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, एक दिन आपका बच्चा किसी का इरेजर उठा के लेके आ गया स्कूल से,
हम्म, हम्म.
तब आपके दिमाग में घंटी बजी एंड यू स्टार्टेड कीपिंग एन आई ऑन योर चाइल्ड.
Yeah, of
तब
course.
आपका वो
हम्म.
कॉन्फिडेंस नीचे उतर के ट्रस्ट पे आ गया कि ये काम नहीं करेगा तो आई ट्रस्ट.
तो ये थोड़ा नेचुरल डिबेटेबल तो है ही ना कि ट्रस्ट क्या है और कॉन्फिडेंस क्या है. सो ट्रस्ट इज लाइक हम जो दूसरे पे दिखाते हैं, और कॉन्फिडेंस मोस्टली हमें अपने ऊपर ही होता है कि हमारी परवरिश में ऐसी कोई कमी नहीं है कि हमारा बच्चा ऐसा कुछ कर सकता है. बट यस, व्हेन थिंग्स टर्न ओवर, बिकॉज हमें नहीं पता बच्चा बाहर भी जा रहा है ना, बच्चा बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट में क्या सीख रहा है, क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ, एंड वो वैसे रेसिप्रोकेट भी करता है. जैसे कई पेरेंट्स को होता है मेरा बच्चा तो बाहर जाकर ना किसी के साथ बदतमीजी नहीं कर सकता, मेरा बच्चा ऐसा बोल ही नहीं सकता, मेरा बच्चा ऐसा कर ही नहीं सकता. एंड लेटर ऑन व्हेन मदर्स और पेरेंट्स फाउंड कि नहीं हमारे बच्चे ने भी ऐसा किया है, तो एट द टाइम इट कम्स एज ए शॉकर टू देम कि है मेरे बच्चे ने भी ऐसा किया है. देन इट्स लाइक ओके, द चाइल्ड इज लर्निंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. In outer environment, the child is learning and implementing. And now it is a signal कि हमें एक step और cautious होना चाहिए
trust.
in terms of imbibing the learnings.
When we speak the trust, we refer to someone that comes from
वही है.
would you like to share anything on this?
Yeah, what she's telling is also right. It is like few words are for what do they say? See, history and all. I'm not able to convey correctly, but few words are just for saying itself. Because practically, if you come, as Archana has told, like the moment you marry a person, you would trust him, but not at an unconditional rate. I mean, somewhere your mind will work in a tangible way only, and maybe after knowing his nature or something like that, it may shift to unconditional this
मुझे
thing.
तो उल्टा हुआ.
So
But what I believe is unconditional जैसी शायद चीज कुछ होती नहीं है. I mean, कुछ ना कुछ conditional रहता ही है लाइफ में. Even if it is could be in the back of your mind somewhere. We just, I think हमने unconditional love को बहुत ज्यादा hype किया हुआ है. There is, I don't think so there is
नहीं, love तो
anything called
unconditional होता ही नहीं.
unconditional.
There is nothing
हाँ,
but unconditional love.
वही है. Unconditional is nothing. Everything has its conditions over it, and yes, that is, let's be very honest with each other. हर relationship में give and take का होता ही है. ठीक है, कोई giver soul ज्यादा होता है, कोई taker soul ज्यादा होता है. Only that is the thing. But balance बनाना हम कोशिश ही करते रहते हैं. देखा जाए तो आज हम अपनी शादी के 20 साल बाद भी कोशिश ही कर रहे होते हैं. To balance everything, to balance. और वो हम after certain experiences of life will learn over the period of time, and it becomes like more of adjusting with each other, how to understand each other. Okay, this is his nature, I need to be like this. This is my nature, now he is also being okay with it. कि चलो इसका तो है ही ऐसा, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. No, you start accepting the person slowly and slowly, but it takes time.
and beyond that, like as as it's arranged marriage for me,
Mhm.
I trusted my dad. Not trusted, I mean, I was more confident that,
Yeah,
he
yeah,
would handle to
true.
me a certain person, and maybe I wouldn't be in that position to comprehend or, to understand what he is searching and why he has, selected particular alliance or whatever. So in that way, I had a lot of beliefs in my father.
Hmm.
So yeah,
So that
Parents
belief
say we have
turn out to
confidence
be
in our parents.
yeah,
uh,
exactly.
that belief turn out to be true for you, Pranavi.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's
Absolutely.
great.
And even now I'm like, even at the mid of my age, I'm still in the process of analyzing ki, acha, these were the points my dad has seen. See, the best example is I'm like, open minded and very active person and
Mhm.
short tempered too. But
Mhm.
then my dad has selected a person who is like a calm and a poised person. So he did not see what he's like, that highly educated or something like that. He was just working basically on the at an emotional level. Ki, will I be compatible to him? The personality traits especially. So at that
Mhm.
time I didn't find much interesting, nor I didn't find the analysis behind it. But now I feel that acha, these are the basic things my dad have seen. That's something which is very much supportive to the survival of, survival in a peaceful way. So those all things at my young age I never measured or I
So,
never knew of it.
and I think that way I must say you are a lucky woman in that case.
Yeah,
If,
fortune also is work.
yeah, touch wood, lots of
True.
blessings.
Yeah.
So actually, yes, when it again all depends, matlab,
True.
uh, parents they always want best for their children, but
Yes.
due to certain experiences and timings, and again the kind of vibrations you are going through that time,
Yes.
you eventually attract a kind of person. Now you might be lucky in that sense. Your father must have realized it then and there that my daughter's traits are like this, and
Yes.
now I need to find a man who can be compatible.
Yes.
If she's little gusse wali, so I need a person who can be a calmer person. Then
Yeah.
up up that way is, in that case you can say you are a lucky woman in that case. But
True.
at times parents themselves,
Yeah.
I think मुझे लगता है कई बार parents were also not very clear. For
They
them they
can't
had
see
a
all the
set
nook and
criteria.
corner of a person. They can't
Yeah.
see, but then they will do their best.
Of course, because in general world also, na, they had that certain set of criteria कि okay, the person should be well educated. Okay, जैसे हमारे घर में था, it's a very set criteria कि वो cigarette smoker नहीं होना चाहिए, drinker नहीं होना, alcoholic नहीं होना चाहिए, and all that stuff. And then okay, earning good, salary should be good and all. But even though my father came to know about the traits that my husband is a little egoistic, but he perceived it in different way.
True.
He perceived it like, since he is a self-made man, so it's okay. वो थोड़ा होता ही है, so that is why he's holding that kind of. But he couldn't. Uh, Basically, उसको वो समझ नहीं पाई ego in what sense. He could not understand, and of course, then of course I have to face certain difficulties. But ठीक है, over the period of time, everything
God
got
settled.
settled. But yes, this is very beautifully done at your parents, and I would say. And it could
Yeah.
be probably, getting married at the right time, right age. और बहुत सारे factors are there,
Exactly.
uh,
Exactly.
in a marriage, especially in arranged marriage. बहुत सारे factors work. Your age matters, your time matters, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So,
True. Yeah. Of course, they in love marriage also a lot of adjustments are there, but the basic
yeah, of course,
what
वो
I
होते
follow
ही
is the
हैं.
basic thing is I having a proper accommodation, proper food, and like not that much ecstasies, but then I happy with my basic things. These are the things I used to check. It's quite fine. As you said, fortune may also play a role, but then it also depends upon the way we are content also. So yeah.
Actually, no, with the span of time period, na, your definitions also get changed. Even if
Yes.
it is like, okay, maybe you went into a house with high expectations of acceptance and everything, but when you actually went there, when you see that, okay, they are not in the mode of accepting you as you are,
True.
right? They are not ready. They did that job because of societal pressure that yes, बच्चे बड़े हो गए शादी करनी है, but they are not mentally prepared to absorb a person into their house the way the person is coming, you know.
True.
And
True.
then there you have another bulbon in your life. Oh, come down on the earth. And now, face the reality. And the
Exactly.
reality would be far different. And now here the angles could be different. For some, it could be, 20 degrees. For some, it could be 45. For some, it could be 90. For some, it could be 180. And in certain cases, it's like 360-degree angle. Sab ghoom gaya, beyond
Exactly.
expectations.
True.
So this is how your life actually starts showing up, and then you will see, okay, now my life is 360 turned around. Now what to do?
True. True.
So again, now you have the limited intelligence, right? That time
Yes. Yes.
you had limited intelligence. You don't know how to survive in this relationship because this for you it is the first time and probably the last time, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
you don't have any kind of experience. And there you start fixing the other person by telling your own emotions, by trying to build that relationship. But again, it again depends. Other person may understand, may not understand. And again, everything depends on the
And I
responses.
remember very well that my husband, before achieving so many things, he at the very starting of my married life itself, he said he would do so many things and achieve so many things. But me as a new person, I used to never trust that. I used to never believe. But then, even now, he recalls, "You never
Hmm.
believed me. Now I showed what I am." Karke. I said, how can I believe the moment the moment I marry you? Is there any magic wand or something that I can believe
Yeah, of
anything in
course.
you?
Yes, yes.
So
Because again,
maybe
we all
as
have different mental maps, right?
yeah,
Madhulika want to share something. You are on mute, Karishma. हंसे जा रही खुद ही अकेले. You are on mute.
Madhulika ने पढ़ लिया chapter, now she will give the insights. चलो, let's hear her. हाँ जी, Madhulika.
Okay.
No, I have not. Yeah, I tried to, but I could not do that. So मेरे को ऐसे ही discussion सुनते सुनते, because I think हम थोड़ा सा track से
Off हो गए.
हाँ off हो गए थे. It was about trust
Trust and
and confidence. So एक एक करके let's discuss. Let's just say, let us just say, and then let's analyze our answers. Let's answer, and then let's analyze our own answers. What do you want your husband, your life partner, to have in you? Trust or confidence? What is one thing, either trust or confidence?
नहीं, but
What
उसके
do
लिए
you,
पहले डिफरेंस तो समझ आना चाहिए ट्रस्ट
नहीं
और
नहीं नहीं
कॉन्फिडेंस
नहीं,
में.
आपको डिफरेंस पता है करिश्मा, आपको
ठीक
डिफरेंस
बोल
पता
रहे, ठीक
है
बोल
ना?
रहे ना. हाँ.
सबको पता है डिफरेंस क्या है ट्रस्ट में. आपका हस्बैंड आपको ट्रस्ट कब करेगा और कॉन्फिडेंट कब होगा? कॉन्फिडेंस की आपको जरूरत कब होगी? आप क्या चाहते हो? आपका रिश्ते की नींव क्या होगी? कॉन्फिडेंस या ट्रस्ट? अपना अपना
Trust,
जवाब देना
trust.
एक एक
ट्रस्ट.
शब्द में. लेट्स नॉट एक्सप्लेन.
confidence.
वेट, लेट्स नॉट एक्सप्लेन, लेट्स जस्ट गिव द आंसर. आपके रिश्ते की नींव, कोई भी रिश्ते की नींव क्या होती है? ट्रस्ट होती है
Vishwas, trust,
या
trust.
कॉन्फिडेंस होता है?
ट्रस्ट.
Trust. According me, it is trust.
ट्रस्ट. करिश्मा, यू?
ट्रस्ट.
ट्रस्ट. प्रणवी?
I the confidence.
Okay. I
I
also,
expect my husband to be confident about me that I would handle things or whatever at an emotional level or you know any level.
तो कैमरा तो ऑन कर लिया करो, पता नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे देखती हूँ, काले काले डिब्बे देख देख के बोर हो जाती हूँ। थैंक यू मधुलिका।
Yeah.
कॉन्फिडेंस हमें तब चाहिए होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस हमें होता है जब हमें कोई टास्क करता है, as said, have things, then you need someone's confidence. But to live with someone, we need his trust. You
Okay.
don't need a confidence कि आप किससे बात कर रहे हो, but
Hmm.
need his trust कि आप किससे बात कर रहे हो.
True. True.
आप किसके साथ मार्केट गए हो, you don't need his confidence that he should be confident enough कि जाके आप बाजार से सामान खरीद लाओगे. नहीं, he should have trust in you that yes, you will go, and he should have that trust.
You
So
will maintain
trust
the
is
dignity of a relationship.
exactly. आप किसी भी रिलेशन में देख लो, whether it is husband wife, whether it is with in-laws, if you think my mother-in-law is always bitching around about me, that what is that? That is not lack of confidence, that is lack of trust. If you want to have, in parenting also, we study that have trust in your child. Keep an eye, but do have trust in your child. The basic in management also, we see trust your, there has to be a mutual trust.
Yeah, I agree with that. We all actually were in this favor only, but ये क्यों कुछ उल्टा सिखा रहा है?
ये सिखा नहीं रहा है उल्टा, हम गलत पढ़ रहे हैं. I will go through and I will tell you where the twist is, where he has said that this is what Adrelian psychology is. I'll go through it.
I will also sit and
deep dive
research a
it.
bit on this. Absolutely. I was also going to say कि इसके बारे में research करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा.
ये पोर्शन भेजना मुझे करिश्मा,
I'll
क्लिक करके कि
share
क्या
it.
है, ऐसा क्या था उसके अंदर.
Actually, as per
Let's
the
analyze.
context, I have changed the word or shifted the essence of, the energy of trust to confidence.
Exactly.
I mean, after reading this, I mean, particularly pertaining to the context.
Yes.
It's okay.
Absolutely,
हम
same here.
सबका अपना, like, we can have our own perspectives
True,
over this,
true,
because again, like, even though Madhulika is talking about trust, but for her, confidence is the primarily thing, right?
Yeah.
And for me, like, first having trust, and then, at least you should have confidence. और वो confidence दूसरे को तभी build होता है when you also project that thing कि okay, you are
Normal term
working,
में, normally जब
and
हम
then
normal
the
बात
person
करते
becomes
हैं,
confident. Like, my husband is confident about one thing. Yes, if my family or anybody on this earth needed Archana would be the first person to stand there. And it built over the period of time. So, of course, because you projected certain kind of examples, and now he is like very much confident, okay, चाहे उसको रात को 3 बजे उठ के किसी की सेवा करने जाना पड़े, she can go. That kind of confidence he has. And but trust issues is different thing.
Okay, one more point.
Hmm.
One more point. Confidence can be negative or positive both. अगर अभी
हाँ, वो
कोई बोले अर्चना को
overconfidence से
लड़ने के
convert
लिए, तो
होती
मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस है वो लड़ लेगी. Confidence can be negative and positive both, but
both.
trust is always in a positive frame of mind.
हाँ, ट्रस्ट है तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं.
ट्रस्ट कितनों को है ये तो बता.
अंधा 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 बिल्कुल.
ब्लाइंड ट्रस्ट है, because now see, ये भी
अब
बहुत
इस उम्र में
डाइसी
जाके
थिंग
कर भी
है,
क्या लेंगे?
बहुत डाइसी थिंग,
But
See.
at sometimes if we have blind trust, we will be at our own peace.
Yes, I totally agree, because the kind of scenario nowadays is, and wherein you're
It's not
probably,
only about your peace. It is about, first of all, your peace.
and
Second
then
thing
peace
is,
with the family.
no, second thing is, जो बोओगे वो ही पाओगे. And third thing
हाँ,
is, every relation
exactly,
is your own reflection.
Yes.
exactly.
And that is why it is like blind trust. And that is what, आप किसी के कंधों पे जब blind trust रख देते हो, फिर वो आपको कभी मतलब he cannot betray you. That fine. एक किसी का ट्रस्ट भी अपने कंधों पे लेके चलना बहुत बड़ी बात है.
True, very true. अभी हम मे बी हम किसी एक एक पेज पे हैं सारे, yet having said that I still want to research a bit about why this definition has come across like differently.
We have to.
This is
Yeah.
still a question, so I'll also
हाँ,
research and I would love for each
अंग्रेजी को
one.
समझो इसकी
I
नहीं,
know.
मैं तो इसका
कि
हिंदी में
लैंग्वेज को
ट्रांसलेशन,
समझो.
आई गो थ्रू द हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन एंड देन आई
And
पिक अप
yes,
फ्रॉम
yes.
देयर.
I think हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन से शायद थोड़ी और क्लैरिटी
यस,
मिल जाएगी.
यस,
एट टाइम्स वो ट्विस्ट कर देते हैं ना लैंग्वेज को थोड़ा सा.
एग्जैक्टली. सो आई गो थ्रू द हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन, इसकी पीडीएफ हिंदी में निकाल के देन आई गो थ्रू द पेजेस एंड देन
दैट
लेट्स
वुड बी
सी
द
व्हाट
ग्रेट
हैपेंस.
थिंग.
या, हिंदी में ही सोचते हैं ना अपन लोग.
हाँ यार, है तो हिंदुस्तानी ना.
So that's why.
But yes, certain clarity do come when we read it in our own native language. तो उससे थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या है क्या नहीं है.
ठीक है भाई, फिर कल का सेशन we will start with this and then we will go to the essence of work in the contribution of the common good. ठीक है. I would love for in fact each one of you, because this is getting a little deeper, तो please पढ़ के आओ so that we know a little about, you know.
हम ऐसे बस पढ़ के, कुछ भी पढ़ के और विश्वास नहीं कर सकते.
Exactly.
राइट करिश्मा, वी हैव टू गेट
हाँ
इट.
हाँ, अरे हमने भी तो
अगर हम
रिलेशनशिप में घास थोड़ी
अगर हम
काटी है.
नहीं, अगर हम if we are not coinciding, the thoughts are not coinciding,
हाँ.
so we cannot soak it in.
Exactly.
And obviously not everything is for
नहीं,
you.
आप अपने, so when you read in advance, you know have a debate with your own self as well, कि नहीं यार ये क्यों से बोल रहा है, and then you go and you do some research, गूगल करोगे, चैट जीपीटी करोगे, कुछ तो करोगे to bring out कि चाहता क्या है, why is this person has said, what is the reason, what is the story behind it, right?
You know, Karishma, if you chat GPT this, it will showing you the same thing, that what is this. Yeah.
No, it's
What?
not. I muted myself to check on this only. And
Read
then
it.
chat
Share
GPT,
your screen.
it's not, it's on my phone now. So the Adlerian perspective on trust versus confidence in this book is trust is unconditional and given freely. अभी हम तो इसी बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, बट इसमें तो कुछ और लिखा है जो हमारे को समझ में आ रहा है.
वही मैं बता रही हूँ कि वो जो ये जो चैट जीपीटी है, अगर आप इस बुक के बारे में डालो तो इट इज शोइंग द रियल पिक्चर. हमें इसकी लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ में आ रही है.
एक काम करो, आई थिंक इट मस्ट
समझ
बी
रहे हो?
अवेलेबल ओवर यूट्यूब ऑल्सो.
हाँ, उसमें भी वीडियो है, उसमें पूरी बुक की क्या बोलते हैं, ऑडियो
होगी
बुक है
कुछ ना
उसमें
कुछ,
पूरी.
ऑडियो बुक होगा या कुछ
हाँ.
स्क्रिप्ट होगा या कुछ होगा, या वो किसी का पर्सपेक्टिव भी हो सकता है इसी बात पे.
चलो अर्चना, ये
वी
ढूंढ
कैन
के आना.
सर्च.
अर्चना का होमवर्क रिसर्च,
होमवर्क.
यूट्यूब रिसर्च अर्चना करेगी.
जी मैडम. ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
ठीक है.
मधुलिका की दूसरी रिसर्च, प्रणवी की दूसरी रिसर्च.
So if
तो
we
मुझको
wait
वो
to
भेजना
prove
तो सही, वो
before trusting,
दैट क्लिक ऑफ दैट बुक, वो
चैप्टर.
जो भी चैप्टर है क्या है, या उतना
हाँ,
पोर्शन वट एवर इट इज.
I'll click the picture and I'll share. चलो भाई,
गुड
थोड़ा सा
इनसाइट.
unsatisfactory session, but yes, something to think about for sure.
नहीं, हमारे दिमाग के न्यूरॉन्स हिला दिए इसने यार. उल्टा बल्कि अच्छा एक न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी होगी. अब हम नया कुछ सोच रहे होंगे. लेट्स वर्क ऑन इट एंड अंडरस्टैंड डीपली.
All right, thank you all for joining in. Madhulika, it was nice to have you. You normally don't join in the night sessions, no? But
थैंक यू.
it's nice to have
अभी
you.
मेरा आज 9:30 से 10:30 सेशन था, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जॉइंड एट 10:30.
Wonderful,
हाँ,
wonderful.
वो मेरा रेगुलर हो नहीं पाता, कभी कोई क्लास होती है, कभी कोई. वहाँ अभी जैसे यूएस, सॉरी, दुबई के बच्चे हैं, वहाँ उनका रमादान चल रहा है. सो
हाँ.
रमादान के चक्कर में कि शाम को फास्टिंग का टाइम है, ओपनिंग का, सो उनके सेशन सब टाइमिंग्स इधर उधर शिफ्ट करना, वो सब